If you want to connect your iPhone's internet or mobile data on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, then I'll show you how to connect your Hisense TV to your iPhone's personal hotspot and what to do in case the hotspot doesn't show up. First, we need to turn on mobile data on our iPhone. So let's swipe down and open the control panel. From there, turn off Wi-Fi, turn on Cellular Data, then expand these settings and turn on Personal Hotspot. Now, if you have forgot your hotspot password or your device's name, then you can check that by opening settings. From there, click on Personal Hotspot. And here's our Wi-Fi password along with our device's name, which is also our hotspot name. In your case, if you have an older model of a Hisense TV and you can't find your iPhone's hotspot, then from here, turn on Maximize Compatibility, and now your iPhone's hotspot should be detectable by your Hisense Smart TV. So now let's move to our TV, go to Home Screen, from there open Settings, then go to Connection, Network, and finally Network Configuration. And as you can see, our iPhone is on the list. So we'll just highlight it, press OK, enter our password, and hit Connect. So that's how you connect your iPhone's hotspot network to a Hisense Smart TV. Make sure to stay tuned for more, and I'll see you around.